Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google Gemini and or NotebookLM, then just to let you know that Google has now announced a new notebook feature for Gemini, which Google says and describes as a personal knowledge base shared across Google products, quote unquote. Now, Google says that this is a way to help organize everything related to the projects you are working on, including files and chats. And the whole reason for this change, Google says, it says, as you rely on the Gemini app for more complex projects, from studying as an example for exams to diving into a new hobby, keeping track of everything can be a challenge. So at the end of last year, Google says it added NotebookLM as a source. So if we head back to Gemini, NotebookLM and NotebookLM, so that's what they're referring to there, as a source in the Gemini app to help. Now Google says it's taking that integration a step further by introducing notebooks, as we can see in the image provided here in the left-hand navigation pane. So how this is all going to work, Google says with notebooks, you can keep conversations about a topic organized in one place, which I do think is a nice move. And they've provided us with a bit of a video clip, which will give us a good indication. So how this will all work, Google says, you would just click New Notebook on the side panel of the Gemini app to get started. You can move past chats into notebooks, give Gemini custom instructions, and add relevant files like documents and PDFs to give Gemini more context. Once your hand-picked sources are organized into a notebook, Gemini uses them alongside its powerful tools and web search to provide uniquely helpful responses, according to Google. So that's how this is all going to work. Now, Google does say that notebooks let you use more sources depending on your subscription plan, which Google says helps you tackle bigger tasks and longer running projects. And Google says that since notebooks sync across the Gemini app and NotebookLM, any source you add in one place automatically appears in the other, which I do think is a nice move if you are going to be using this feature. And Google says that it's rolling out notebooks in Gemini this week, starting with Google AI Ultra, Pro and Plus subscribers on the web. And important to take note, in the coming weeks, Google says it will expand access to mobile, more countries across Europe, and to free users. So at this stage, this is not available to personal Google account users. But in the coming weeks, if this is something you are interested in, Google says it is pushing it out to free users in due course. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.